Welcome to another edition of us having no idea what we're doing. So I'm Ryan, this is Slim, and today we're attempting to put CRG bar and mirrors on a 2016 Ducati Scrambler, the Icon. So, but the instructions that it comes with are minimal, to say the least. And then, so you pretty much, you get the mirror itself, which looks like it appears just to clamp on, but there's not enough actual bar end to clamp it to. So they sell like a little adapter kit. So I think what we're trying to attempt to do is take the bar ends off and then replace them with the adapter, which then in turn this will mount to. But it's gonna be a learning experience because we have no idea what we're doing. So first things first, let's get these old bar mirrors off, let's get these bar ends off, then we can work on the mirrors. So I've heard the trick to actually getting the bar end off is we're just gonna loosen this up. So we got the little R5 key and loosen it up 1, 2, 3 turns. And then supposedly you're gonna this is gonna wedge out. Well, okay. Maybe it is easier than I thought. Oh.
Okay.
That's all that comes out. It looks like a mushroom. But there's nothing on the end of it. So, but once you get that out, so yeah, it really wasn't that bad. And I don't think, because now your grip should come off maybe? I don't know. But either way, I don't think anything's in that hole. So now we should be able to figure out how to put the adapter on there.
All the pieces that came in the kit are right here. So you have 2 of these, I don't know, semicircular kind of pieces. Those are the same size, and kind of where we were having confusions with these 2 different wedge pieces, and they were 2 different sizes. So I think I figured out how to get them to stay in. So you just take the bar end and the bolt and you just kind of just thread it through. And then you're gonna place the nut on there with the flat side sticking out. And just kind of thread it through a little bit. All right, so there's 2 different sizes. This one's a little bit smaller, this one's a little bit bigger. So you're gonna start with the smaller one first. And then we're gonna put the larger one on right there, and then it's gonna overlap onto, over top of that edge, and then onto the actual bolt itself.
That's the bad part, is if you are shoving it down in the bar end of the bike and then all these pieces slide, then I don't really know what you do. Buy a new kit, buy a new set, but then you're gonna have this junk. You have to turn the bike upside down to get all this stuff back. But this is the goal. And then these, like she said, like the little sleeves go around this, and then we'll just shove this into the handlebar. All right, so I know this kind of sounds crazy, but what we're actually gonna do, so that way if we do lose any of these pieces, I'm just gonna take a shop towel and kind of fold it up and then shove it down in there. Cause I mean, like, I don't know that it's gonna hurt anything, but that way if we do lose a part, it'd be a heck of a lot easier to get it back out. So if I just roll this up and then just shove it down in there, I mean, past the point, I mean, that bar end only sticks in so far, and just shove it down in there. Like I said, I know that sounds really ghetto, but like, I just don't see how it would affect anything. Cause I mean, like,
My thought will turn anything.
Yeah,
without having to.
Yeah, cause that's on the.
Because that's just a
Right. So I mean, like, just shove that down in there. So this is what's going in there, and I mean that's all the way down, and it's past the point. But that way, if I lose any of this crap, I don't have to worry about it getting lost in the motorcycle. So it might sound stupid and kind of look kind of crazy, and if somebody ever works on the bike besides us, they're gonna be like, what the heck is that? But really, I think I don't see why it's not a good idea. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take what we've put together, put the sleeves around here, and then I'm just gonna kind of carefully wedge it down into the tube. and I guess try to tighten it and just see what happens.
Let's see.
I don't see. Yeah, because
that's not gonna work.
You sure? It just.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah.
How?
Magic. I really don't know.
Oh my gosh.
I really don't know, but it's. I mean, it's tight.
Are you serious?
Yeah, feel it. Supposedly, this is just going to attach to that. So, like, we just need a little small key. I have no idea what size.
Here's a 3. Try that.
This is 3. Oh yeah, good call.
Boom.
All right, so if you loosen this, I don't know if it's got to come all the way out.
Maybe.
Or we should just be able
We
to.
should be able to but we have to, yeah.
Hold that.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and it just kind of pulls apart. Oh yeah, wow, okay. And that.
Does it need to be like more
See, I wonder.
like that, or does this? Well,
I
that
think-
piece you can rotate it.
I think if you undo this, you can
Okay.
rotate it because I know it had like different positions. Like you could do up, sideways, kind of down, like angled. So this, I don't know what it does, but don't mess with this
Maybe
one.
shouldn't mess with it though.
Oh, but okay.
Yeah.
So now you can
Oh, so you can change it up.
like change it completely up, kind of angled, completely out, turn it down. Think about not only, I mean, like, yes, looks, but then safety too.
Well, yeah, that's what I mean. That's what I'm saying. Like this, like I like the look of this better, but I kind of like. I feel like this is giving me like a better view of directly behind me, though.
Let's do this. We'll go ahead and try to take, I guess, the old mirrors off, see how that works. And then, well, because I mean, that's loose right now. So like, well,
Right.
the bar in itself is tightened down, but we can play with the mirrors.
Yeah.
So just to try, like this one, just to make sure we're doing it right. Like this one came, well, I say came right out. Now it's hung again, but let's see. Yeah, put the wrench on there and it's wanting to turn. Well, I say that, but wait, unless you have to.
Oh yeah, that's coming up.
So just break it free, I guess, and then just turn the mess out of it. Oh, yeah, okay.
Wow.
So that's it.
Does it have a big open hole?
Well, we'll get a bolt,
Okay.
like a black bolt to fit down in there so it doesn't look as crappy.
Oh my god, it's so weird without the stupid big mirrors.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
All right, so we'll set this up.
Cool. Stick it in the parts graveyard over there.
Loosen this up a few turns and then just pull it out. So loosen it a little bit. And then grab the screwdriver. There we go. Thank you. Whew. Okay. That one took some big hammer persuasion. But it's out. Okay. Just gonna take our towel rag trick, roll it up, and shove it in the end just so we don't have any issues. Again, like, shouldn't cause, I wouldn't think, cause any issues. It's in there. We got our bar end kind of together again. We got our towel stuck in there. We're just gonna slide this in, and through the magic of I don't know, hoping and praying. We'll see if this will do the same thing, like tighten up. Cause I don't understand how I did the other side. Yep, I don't know. You just put your wedges on and then hold the bar end and then it tightens down.
Yeah.
So that's bar end adapter number 2 on there. Like I said, I don't really understand how it works, but it works. So tighten it down, should be good to go. I don't know, but it's there. So now we can work on putting this side of the bar and mirrors on. All right, so we'll just loosen up this piece.
Oh, wait a second, that side.
What?
This is the writing from the...
Well, that's what I was wondering, because...
I wonder if it could be changed either way.
Well, that's what made me wonder, just because that's why I was like, if you can spin it around, so that way they match. Because I feel like this side, and then I'll have you hold that little thing. You just pry this open, and then stick the mirror like that, and then clamp it down. Yeah, because that would be the only difference, because all this is still, I mean, it's just opposite, obviously, because it's upside down. But, because on the opposite side, we threaded it from the bottom. This side, we're going from the top. And I just kind of loosely put it in there, and then I'll have you like set it up and just kind of see if they look even. And if they look even, we can start tightening everything down. So yeah, once you actually get the old bar end off, you put the adapter on there, and like I said, I still at this point, I don't know how it goes on, but you just slide that adapter in there, and then the actual bar end, like these are the CRGs, but then they actually just clamp on. So, and then they have adjustability, but it looks a world of difference. Of course, we still have some issues because we got the freaking stock mirror on there that just is being stubborn. So we're gonna try to get that off, but then we'll give you a finished product. We're not admitting defeat. That is not what's happening. But for now, we're done-ish. So, like I said, once we actually tackle getting the mirror off, then we'll kind of give you some, you know, after shots of what it actually looks like. Because it's so hard to tell because it looks wonky with the 3 mirrors. But that's not. I don't know that that's a thing. So, new trend. I don't know.
New trend worked.
All right. Well, unbeknownst to me and apparently all of the internet, Slam has abnormal strength. So go ahead and finish getting it off. Like, she was able to break it free. I just made this whole spiel about how I can't break it free, but apparently maybe I'm an idiot.
We're turning it the wrong way before.
So cool. All right, now we can see a finished product.
This is so bad.
Well, now I feel bad because I've chewed up the thing.
A little bit. That's a little gross. Yeah, we're gonna have.
Once we get a bowl, it should be fine.
Oh, that's true.
What the F?
Hey.
Okay, well, cool. You can hand me that.
But yeah, just turn it.
But that's
right
opposite.
though. It's opposite. Yeah.
That makes no sense.
So, on the right side, just go opposite of what you know. Yeah.
But
yay!
yeah, it's finished. So yeah, it looks a whole lot better.
It's like not a bunch of crap in the way right here.
No, it makes
awesome.
it cleans up the front end a lot. So kind of give you like a little walk around, but dang, yeah, it looks so much better.
Awesome.
So.
Because I mean, it's just these giant things like right here.
Oh yeah.
And then now.
Okay.
Holy crap.
Nice.
I dig it. I like it a lot more.
Cool.
That was like so good.
It does.
Wow.
But again, thanks for watching. We're idiots. Like I said, we're not mechanics, so we learn as we go. But yeah, there you have it. CRG bar ends on a 16 Ducati Scrambler. Thanks again.